Hello and welcome back everyone to our channel Gaming Basics, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you guys can play Blackjack in your GTA San Andreas game. So to play Blackjack in your GTA San Andreas game, firstly you have to come over to a casino. You guys can come over to the 4 Dragon casinos. I have shown the location of this casino in my previous video. You guys can go watch it, and after you're in the casino you have just simply walk in and you can come to this table, these kind of table, and you can come in front of it, and it tells you that if you press T then you can play Blackjack. You can press T to play it, and after that you will be playing Blackjack. You can press C to increase your bet or Z to decrease it, and after you have placed down a bet you can press on spacebar to continue, and then it will hand out the cards, and then you will have option to split, stand, hit or double down. I will choose hit on this one, and I just lost money. So that's how you guys can play Blackjack in your GTA San Andreas game. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Also, if there is any video that you guys want us to cover, then please comment it down below and we will do so for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.